All right, quick video. I want to show you, this is how I'm setting up my water to be able to draw from my 3,000 gallon tank for this summer, okay? I've got an outlet here on the back of the greenhouse. I'll clean up the extension cord some. But up here, what I did was I dropped my submersible pump in through the cap. What you actually have to do is you unscrew the cap. I pulled out the center, set the pump there, and ran the garden hose through the center, screwed it into the submersible pump. This is just a Harbor Freight submersible, Drummond. I think it's a 6th horsepower, all right? So I've got it set in the tank, and then I've got a 100-foot garden hose running alongside the greenhouse there. But let me show you something else. When you're doing this, and especially if you're going to leave it long term, okay, I got my 100-foot of hose running over here. You have got to put a nozzle on the end of it. All right, so I've got water pressure right now. The reason for the nozzle is when you turn off your pump, okay, and you turn off your pump, right, that submersible pump is already below the water line and it has started a siphon now. So if you don't have a nozzle on there to shut off the water, you will come back and your 3,000 gallon tank or whatever will be empty. So it's just, this is one of those speaking from experiences things. Yeah, I know everybody's like, well, you didn't know about a siphon? No, man, like I knew about a siphon, but sometimes crap happens and you get busy. So it's just a reminder, put a nozzle on the end of your garden hose so that you have a way to shut it off, especially if you're going to leave it in that tank. So that way when you're done with the water, you now have a hard shut off on that, and that will keep you from siphoning out your water. Mistakes happen. I'm trying to help you avoid them. So you learn from my experiences. All right, guys, we'll catch you all in the next one. Mountain Wizard out. See ya.